Good evening. I am Rashid Habib and you are watching Russian Pakistan News. Today, the Supreme Court of Pakistan has resumed the hearing of the appeals in the murder case of the renowned American journalist Daniel Pearl, who was working for Wall Street Journal as bureau chief of South Asia. Daniel Pearl was kidnapped for ransom and murder in Pakistan some 18 years back. In this case, 11 persons were nominated, out of which 4 were arrested, along with the principal accused, Ahmad Umar Sheikh. He and 3 others were arrested, while 7 were absconders. The Anti-Terrorist Court of Hyderabad awarded capital punishment after detailed hearing of the case, while the High Court of Sindh acquitted them on the grounds of insufficient evidence. Today, senior advocate Farooq H. Naik, the former federal law minister, argued the case. He cited relevant law as well. He said the statement in the presence of magistrate, which also relates to the events of the case, cannot be ruled out straight away just because it was given during the custody of the police. He also quoted the relevant law in this regard. Farooq H. Naik told the court that the conspiracy of the abduction for ransom was made in Rawalpindi. As per plan, after abducting Daniel Pearl, the accused sent an email to the wife of the Daniel Pearl demanding ransom for his release. On not fulfilling the demand, Daniel Pearl was killed brutally and the video of his killing was also released, which constituted the crime of harassment and terrorism as well. Daniel Pearl was last seen in the car of Umar Sheikh, and Umar Sheikh was also present in that car. After that, that car left for some unknown destination. Farooq Naik told the court that Umar Sheikh could not explain during the investigation that what happened after that car left for some unknown destination. Farooq H. Naik has completed his arguments on law points and he will continue on the basis of evidence tomorrow as well. Justice Yahya Afridi has directed him to point out the errors which the High Court made on the basis of evidence while he will be arguing. The case is being heard by a 3-member bench headed by Justice Mushir Alam. This was all from Russian Pakistan News. Allah Hafiz.